We're halfway there.
Huh?
3 a.m. is prime time for parkour and face sniffing while the humans try to survive the night. Just another peaceful night of sleep for everyone except the people actually in the bed. If you ever wondered why you wake up tired, you decide to take a shortcut through the wrong neighborhood and realize the local gang has wings and zero chill. You forget to renew your car registration in Melbourne, so you have to switch to the eco-friendly 4WD. You're trying to be mad at him, but his massage skills are... You ask for a hug, but you're a dolphin and have absolutely... Trying to nap, but your siblings are auditioning for the next Matrix movie right over your head. You open a fresh container of concentrated judgment and it stares back at you. Realize the sheep is better at taking selfies and holding a conversation than most of your exes. From a gentle head tilt to a full lean in, this woolly legend knows exactly how to work the angles. You're trying to act tough, but the blankets are actually a treacherous mountain range and your own paws are a mystery to you. Trying to stay mad, but the blanket is just too soft and your nap schedule is non-negotiable. The individual is currently offline for essential maintenance. You have all the height of a Great Dane, but your ears are still running. You hire a detailer based on their experience with grease, but forget to check which species they are. Handled with primitive precision. You're a potato, but you still have a gymnastics competition at 5. You're trying to sleep, but your roommate thinks your head is a giant flavored lollipop. Trying to act tough, but you both realize you're just two variations of floor fluff. They asked me to show them a downhill spiral. I think I took it a little too literally. Gravity is doing all the work, and frankly, I am just here for the ride. 0. Trying to act cool at the gym, but you accidentally catch a glimpse of yourself in the mirror and realize you're actually just a confused potato. The main character realizes the camera has been rolling the whole time and now has to live with the consequences of their dramatic... I think my cat might have missed the tutorial on how to be a cat and accidentally downloaded the liquid physics update instead. It has been 10 minutes and he still has... director says cut, but you're still hungry for more scenes and snacks. You ask the groomer for a blowout, but they accidentally. Puppy has better coordination on 4 wheels than I do on 2 legs. I am officially being outcooled by a golden nugget on a skateboard. You forget that you are a majestic predator and remember that you are basically a furry sled. Ground control to Major Tom, we have reached maximum slide capacity. This is not a You decide to stop playing hard to get and finally accept that you are the little spoon. The main character energy is so high you start glitching the physics engine. I told this bird the sky was the limit and it decided to become the Wi-Fi signal. Trying to be the main character, but your sibling clearly. You catch a glimpse of yourself in the mirror and realize the diet starts tomorrow, but the breakdown starts today. The babysitter hasn't arrived yet and the kids are already on their 5th round of forest parkour.
Huh? Huh?
You ask for a sign and the universe sends you an orange cat reaching for the heavens. You forget the ladder, but the squad has your back. Teamwork makes the dream work until Steve drops his end. This is exactly trying to act normal in front of your crush, but your intrusive thoughts are in total control. You lied on your resume about having 5 years of shepherding experience and now you are just trying to blend in and keep your job. Have a big day of doing absolutely nothing tomorrow, so you need to start resting for it immediately. They say take a sip of water, but you only know how to take a soul-cleansing blast from the past. This dog is living in 3026 while we are all just using bowls like peasants. That is not a drink, that is Ordered a catfish from Wish, but the delivery guy took it too literally. To be slow, but then I discovered four-wheel drive and now there is no stopping the shell on wheels. Turtle by birth, skater by choice. Catch me if you can, but you probably cannot. Would you like me to help you come up with a list